Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from ZeroLemon. This is the Galaxy S25 Ultra 10,000 milliamp wireless charging battery case, which means you don't even really have to plug it into the phone. It fits into the case, charges the phone wirelessly, and again, you have 10,000 milliamps, so you can charge your phone a full time. And in my testing, I found about 70 to 80 more percent on top of that for a second charge. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of what it's capable of. Now, there are many other features to this that we're going to get into in just a second, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what you get once it's out of the box. Now, there's not a lot that they offer other than the case and some documentation, which is just fine. I mean, it is just a case, but we will take a quick look at all of that anyway. This is a case that is in three parts. Again, it is 10,000 milliamps. In my testing, I got one full charge and then a second charge of about 80% on that second charge before I had to recharge the battery case. Here is the instruction manual, and there are instructions on how to properly put this together. I'll show you that. And there are some specifications. Again, 10,000 milliamp case. Your output DC is going to be a wireless 5 watts, 7.5 watts, or up to 10 watts. And you can see that it's 6.8 by 3.58 by 1.03 inches. So it is a rather bulky case, obviously. It's a three-part case as well. We'll get into that in just a second. So taking a look at the case itself, you do have that ZeroShock logo there on the side. And the material that they have on the outside is no fingerprints whatsoever are you going to see on this case. Now, you do have a button here that if you hold this in, it's going to turn on the case. You do have 4 LEDs. Mine currently only has 3 lit, meaning I have about 75% of the charge of that 10,000 milliamp left over. You can see clear cutouts here for the S Pen, your speaker, and of course your USB. And there's also a USB charge out and in for charging the case itself. Charging the case itself at 10,000 milliamps is going to take you about 2.5 or so hours to charge up the case itself, and it is not wirelessly capable. So that means you will have to charge this with a power brick and the USB Type C connector. Now you do have a button covers. Everything is fully covered here. Again, this is a 3-part case. So let me get it apart, show you how to install it, and then we'll show you exactly how this works. So once you do get this all apart, it's going to be 3 parts here. On the left-hand side, I have the battery itself. And then in my hand here, I have this bracket that goes over the phone. It snaps into place to keep the phone in place. So what you're going to want to do is set it on the battery. It has a little lip at the bottom, and you're just going to want to line up your 2 USB ports there. You can see that lip there kind of rests, holds where the phone will be, and then you snap the bracket over the phone, and when you go around all 4 corners there, it should snap into place. Now I'm in place and I'm ready to go, so no problems here. And then what we're going to do is put the outer case on here, and this kind of just snaps on. And once you get this on, you're going to want to go around the entire sides of this. You'll see that the edges will actually snap in as well for extra security there. But once you're snapped into this, this is 360-degree protection for your S25 Ultra here. Works out really nicely. Very nice corner protection on this, and overall works really, really well. Now the buttons are very responsive. I didn't have any problems with the buttons here with this. And I also wanted to mention that I do have a tempered glass screen protector on my S25 Ultra, and it does not interfere at all with the screen protector, so that's great. On the back, we can hold this down for a few seconds. You'll be able to see that it will start charging up in the upper right hand corner there. I am charging, I'm currently at 98%, but it does charge wirelessly right to the phone, no problems whatsoever. So anytime you need to top off your battery, you can just turn the battery on and it will start wirelessly charging your phone. Getting the S Pen in and out is not a problem here. Nice cutouts for your charge port, of course, your bottom microphone. And then you have the secondary port. Now, the secondary port at the bottom will allow you to do things like charge another device, use that 10,000 milliamps to charge another device. The top port is your data port, and data works. Samsung Dex will work, Android Auto, all of that will work connected to your top port just like it normally would, so you're not losing any functionality there. Now, the only thing you really can't do with this case is wirelessly charge through the battery case. So if you wanted to recharge the battery itself, you would plug in and recharge the battery with a wall charger. Now you can see I've got an OG Pixel Fold here, and now I'm charging from the battery, and I can now charge up two devices. So I'm wirelessly charging with this device on my S25 Ultra, and I'm also wired charging the OG Pixel Fold. So that's really nice to be able to charge multiple devices. So what I really like about this is the 360-degree protection. You can see that we have lips at the top and the bottom. So if you set it down on its face, it's not going to have any problems. Really great protection around the corners, easy access to all your ports here. And the finish that they put on the outside case is not going to be an issue for fingerprints, which is really nice. When you set it down on a table, there is zero wobble with this. So if you like to use your device with it on the table, you're not going to have any problems there. Overall, this is a very protective case that offers you quite a lot of battery life. And at the same time, it leaves your USB Type-C original connector open because it charges wirelessly, so that you can do things like data sync with a PC, or plug in USB Type-C wired headphones, or anything like that that you would do with your normal data port. Having that secondary port there is great as well, because not only can you recharge the battery wired that way, but you can also use it as a power bank to charge other devices. Overall, I think that this is a great case for somebody that takes a lot of long trips. Maybe you go camping for the weekend, maybe you do, long plane trips, or whatever you're going to be doing that is going to keep you away from a power source for a long period of time. This might be the case for you. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.